Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of saving and loading templates in MetaTrader 4. Templates can be a huge time saver as they allow you to quickly apply your preferred chart settings and indicators to any new chart. Let's get started. Step 1. Saving a template. To save a template with your preferred chart settings, follow these simple steps. First, open your MetaTrader 4 platform and make sure you are logged into your trading account. Arrange your charts with the indicators and settings you want to save. Once you have your charts set up the way you like, go to the Charts menu at the top of the platform. From the drop-down menu, select Template, and then click on Save Template. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your template. Give it a recognizable name that reflects its content and click Save. Congratulations! You have successfully saved your custom template, and it will now be available for use on any new chart. Step 2. Loading a template. Now that you have a saved template, loading it onto a new chart is a breeze. Open a new chart where you want to apply your saved template. Once the chart is open, go to the Charts menu again. This time, select Template, and then click on Load Template. A window will pop up, displaying a list of all your saved templates. Choose the template you wish to apply, and then click Open. Your selected template's chart settings and indicators will be instantly applied to the new chart. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to enhance your experience with templates. You can also apply templates to existing charts. Just open the desired chart, follow the loading steps we've discussed, and your chosen template will be applied. To remove a template from a chart, follow the loading steps and choose Default from the list of templates. Remember that templates only save chart settings, indicators, and drawing tools. They won't save any specific price data or historical information. It's a good idea to organize your templates with descriptive names, so it's easy to find the one you need in the future.